Are you ready to step into a world where every purchase feels like an indulgence and every brand tells a story of elegance? Welcome to the realm of the regal retailer, where luxury is more than just a price tag. It's an experience. Whether you're shopping for a designer watch, high-end fashion, or a bespoke piece of furniture, there's a certain magic that happens when you shop at a luxury retailer. But what exactly makes this experience so special? Let's dive into the world of luxury retail and discover how the best brands elevate your shopping experience from ordinary to extraordinary. First off, let's talk about the store experience itself. When you enter a high-end boutique, it's not like any other shopping trip. The atmosphere is meticulously crafted to transport you. From the moment you walk in, you're greeted by soft lighting, carefully chosen music, and displays that feel more like works of art than mere products. It's about creating an environment where luxury doesn't just live on the shelves. It's in the air you breathe. The attention to detail in a luxury store is unmatched. Take a moment to appreciate the way the products are arranged. Everything from the way the silk scarves are folded to the arrangement of shoes on display is done with purpose. It's like walking through a gallery, but instead of paintings, you're surrounded by beautiful, meticulously crafted pieces of design. There's nothing random about it. Everything is curated to make you feel like royalty while you browse. Now, let's talk customer service. In the world of luxury retail, service is king, or should we say queen. A luxury store isn't just about buying a product, it's about building a relationship. Sales associates are often more than just sellers. They're personal shoppers, brand ambassadors, and trusted advisors. They know their products inside and out and can provide insights into the story behind each item. Whether it's a limited edition watch or a couture gown, their goal isn't just to make a sale. It's to make sure that the product you're buying will enhance your life, match your style, and maybe even give you a little bit of that luxury glow. And let's be honest, no one wants to walk into a store and feel like they're just another face in the crowd. In luxury retail, every customer is treated like a VIP. It's not unusual for a store to offer personalized shopping experiences, whether it's reserving time for an exclusive private fitting or creating a one-on-one consultation to help you select the perfect handbag. It's this level of service that turns a regular shopping trip into an unforgettable experience. Of course, one of the most exciting things about shopping at a luxury retailer is the exclusive access you get. Limited edition items, private collections, and special events are just some of the perks that come with being a luxury customer. But there's more to it than just exclusivity.